Good morning. If you're a fan of hockey, a new team is coming to IU.
That's right, IU now has an official D2 women's hockey team. It's Friday, March 6th. Here's what's up this week.
IU students compete in challenges modeled after the reality TV series Survivor.
Plus, a rapper is performing at Assembly Hall next month. Stay tuned to find out who.
And later, a panel of student competition was held last week to discuss collegiate apparels and give students a chance to design t-shirts for the upcoming Little 500. Survivor has hit a major milestone with season 50 premiering last week. Hello and welcome to What's Up Weekly. I'm Tegan Emerson.
And I'm Grace Morocco. IU students are bringing the show to life by participating in challenges across campus. The semester-long competition, inspired by CBS's reality TV show, has gained a lot of attention after starting a new season this past week. Our Carson Beeman has the scoop. Carson?
Thanks, guys. Survivor at Indiana features challenges and competitions similar to the original show, but with a college student's budget. Look here to see how students have made their own spin on the show. The hit show Survivor has inspired IU students to create a version of the show themselves. The Survivor at IU Club gives students the opportunity to live out the game of Survivor on campus every week. The club started in the first semester of 2023 and has since grown into 6 seasons of memorable moments. The club tries to emulate the essence of the game. This means things like weekly challenges, immunities, and tribal council are all in the game. While in the real-life version of Survivor, tensions can flare and enemies can be made, the opposite is created here.
The game is competitive, but it's also super friendly. We would go out and get coffee or hang out, do something. But then on Sundays we would vote someone out, and it would get a little intense, but then 20 minutes later it was all friendly again.
The tribes meet every Friday and Sunday and do challenges. Challenges can be things like eating food, finding lost items, and a magnitude of other chaos that the island might bring in. With a new season every semester, there are always opportunities for new students to join in on the fun.
I would love to always have more people. I think that it's the best way to meet people, and I think having more people to take on responsibilities would make it even more smooth and even more fast growing, because a lot of these things are just you hear it from another student and then you're like, oh, maybe I'll join, so just having that word of mouth definitely improves our organization.
For those interested in watching Survivor at IU, new episodes drop every Monday on the club's Instagram page, Survivor at Indiana. For IUSTV, I'm Carson Beeman. Think you have what it takes to win? To keep up with this season or participate in the next season of Survivor at Indiana, follow at Survivor at Indiana on Instagram. Back to you guys.
Thanks, Carson. Hundreds gathered over the weekend to enjoy music and raise money at an anti-ice benefit. Our Elena Przinski reports. Elena?
Thanks, guys. This past weekend, WIUX partnered with the 826, a DIY venue in Bloomington, for an anti-ice benefit show. Take a look. I'm here at the Harmony School for the Anti-Ice Benefit Show hosted by 826 Shows. 826 has partnered with other DIY venues and student organizations to help raise money for the Bloomington Alliance for Immigrant Rights. The proceeds of this show will aid immigrant legal and housing funds. While 826 Shows focuses on uplifting emerging artists, they also aim to use their platform to highlight the importance of community. I was able to talk to the co-founders of 826 Shows and find out what inspired them to host this event.
It's been a lot of collective outrage within the community, and we all just wanted to find a way that we can contribute towards helping our immigrant neighbors here in Bloomington. So we all kind of banded together and organized this as a fundraiser.
This event unites the community because it's centered around something everyone loves: music.
Music is, the medium that connects others. In my opinion, I'm very passionate about music, and I think that any event, whether it be a protest or a benefit concert, can go out of their way to bring people together and, have a good time.
This event is especially personal to co-founder Sammy Katz.
Both my families are immigrants. My mom's from Mexico, and my dad's from the Middle East. So it's very important to just like recognize and uplift immigrant communities as a whole, especially those that are being disproportionately affected within Indiana or specifically Bloomington.
To continue supporting immigrant communities, 826 coordinators urge people to donate and make their voices heard.
Everyone can do something.
For IUSTV, I'm Elena Prinsinski. By the end of the night, the event raised over $2,000. All of the proceeds will go towards immigrant legal and housing funds. Guys, back to you.
Thanks, Elena. American rapper A Boogie With a Hoodie is coming to perform at IU's Assembly Hall this spring. The Bronx-born rapper is best known for his songs Drowning and Look Back at It, blending together emotional lyrics and catchy hip-hop beats. We will be performing at Simon Scott Assembly Hall on April 11th. The concert is expected to be a high-energy night of hip-hop and entertainment. Tickets are on sale now. Students and the public can purchase tickets online.
And auditions for influencer Drewski's comedic record label Could Have Been Records took place last week in Indianapolis. Alongside Indianapolis native Mike Epps, Drewski held these auditions in the Bill 12 Event Center. The live auditions showcase fans rapping, singing, and other talents while being judged in front of Drewski himself. These auditions are less about finding a traditional record deal and more about giving those a moment to shine with a chance to go viral.
The Retail Studies organization hosted a Little 500 t-shirt design competition and held a panel last week to discuss the culture of collegiate apparel. Our Audrey Lash has the story. Audrey?
Thanks, guys. The panel featured guests from Homefield, Othmade, and 2 IU football players. Take a look at what went down. Homefield is known for its vintage-style college designs, but now IU students are adding their own touch. The Indianapolis-based brand partnered with IU's retail student organization, giving students the chance to create original merch. For some, designs started as just a side hustle.
I kind of fell into it, low-key. I sold stuff through high school just as kind of like a side hustle, just like thrifting and stuff. And then my senior year summer, I met Xavier Johnson, who is the current point guard for IU, and he asked if I could get him some more specific clothing.
Students submitted designs inspired by IU traditions, including Little 500, the National Championship, and the classic Cream and Crimson.
I think they're really cool. I've been loving the designs I've seen so far. Several of my friends have made designs, so it's really cool to see them do their thing and shine. And I really like that a lot of them are based on Little 500. I like that they follow like the cream and crimson color scheme.
But for many designers, this was about more than just school spirit. It was about breaking into the industry.
I wanted to build my own brand, but having the opportunity to get your foot in the door is really cool. And just being able to see it even on Kirkwood, that is so cool.
Students say the experience gave them real-world feedback and a chance to see how an idea can move from a sketchbook to a store rack. And for one winning design, that dream could soon become reality. The winner will be announced later this month, and you can shop their design at Homefield on Kirkwood. Back to you, Grayson Teagan.
Thanks, Audrey. Still to come on What's Up Weekly, new advancements are made for women in sports as the Women's Hockey Club becomes an official D2 team.
That's right, we have all the info about IU's newest hockey team. Stay with us.
Welcome back to Trending Topics. I'm Paris Payton. Rap superstar Megan Thee Stallion is taking center stage on Broadway this spring. Megan will join Moulin Rouge, the musical, for an 8-week run beginning March 24th. She will be taking on the role of Zidler, the founder of the famous Paris nightclub. She becomes the first woman to play the character in the Broadway production's 7-year run. Producers say her appearance will include a hint of her own music blended into the show's modern soundtrack. Megan says she's excited to push herself creatively and embrace the world of theater. A New Orleans judge raised Shia LaBeouf's bond from $0 to $100,000 Thursday in his Mardi Gras brawl case. The actor was arrested just after midnight on February 17th after a disturbance outside a French Quarter business. He was charged with 2 counts of simple battery. The judge set the higher bond after a police report accused LaBeouf of making homophobic comments during the incident. The court also ordered him to undergo drug and alcohol treatment, although no illegal substances were found in his system. The judge also denied a request that LaBeouf be allowed to leave New Orleans while the case plays out. LaBeouf immediately paid the $100,000 bond after the hearing and walked free. He's due back in court March 19th. Well, we have another secret celebrity wedding may just have happened. Spider-Man co-stars Tom Holland and Zendaya are now married, according to the actress stylist. Law Roach says the 29-year-old stars wed in secret. Rumors began swirling after Zendaya was spotted wearing a gold band last month. It appears to have taken the place of a diamond ring she wore to the Golden Globes in 2025. Neither actor has publicly confirmed the marriage.
Reese, it's a big win off the ice for IU's women's hockey team. The program has been accepted into the American Collegiate Hockey Association Division II. Our Elena Przinski has the story. Elena?
I'm here at Bloomington's Frank Southern Ice Arena where the IU women's hockey team practices. This year, the group started out as a club exhibition team, not any kind of league, but in January, they were accepted into the American Collegiate Hockey Association. The group will join the league as a Division II team next season.
Skate hard, skate hard.
Now, Coach Dylan Frecken says that things are changing for the team.
Our why has kind of changed a little bit now because we have a league to compete in next year. And I think as opposed to, well, maybe we'll have like 6 or 7 games next year against the same team. Now there's like, okay, we have something to really look forward to here, you know, and we get to wear the sweater with a lot of pride.
For players like Captain Isabella Labella, this change means a lot.
I grew up in Bloomington, so I kind of just knew like I was going to IU always. So it's really awesome to be able to wear the trident on your jersey and be able to play for campus and for Bloomington. I think that's amazing.
The program's promotion allows for IU women's hockey team to have better recruiting, marketing, and visibility. Now, players are showing more interest in joining the team, and former players who had given up on their hockey careers can now play as Division II athletes.
The whole apparatus involved with this leap into this league is going to help elevate our brand, our image, and our team.
For IUSTV, I'm Elena Przinski.
Thanks, Elena. The team's accomplishment will allow players to participate in more games and play against more challenging teams in the upcoming season.
Thank you for watching this week's episode of What's Up Weekly. Tune in next week for more local and entertainment news.
Be sure to follow us on Instagram at IUSTV News. For What's Up Weekly, I'm Tegan Emerson.
And I'm Grace Morocco. We'll be back next week.